Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car, park, engage the e-brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Once done, remove the shift knob, either unscrew or depress its retaining clip, because it blocks access. Next, open all compartments and pull out rubber liners so you can see and remove the visible screws with a Phillips or 10mm socket. These steps expose the console seams. Take your time here, because accurate access prevents snapped clips later. Now you focus on pry and unbolt. Use a plastic trim tool to gently release the side panels and cup holder trim to avoid scratching. Once clips are freed, remove the console's mounting bolts, typically 4, mark their locations. As you lift edges, locate and unplug electrical connectors for the ashtray light, power outlets, and seat heaters. Make sure to depress retaining tabs before pulling connectors, otherwise pins can bend. Keep bolts and clips organized, so reassembly is straightforward. With wiring detached and bolts out, lift the center console straight up and out, watching for caught cables or seat belt anchors. If a clip resists, stop and recheck for hidden screws, forcing it risks breaking plastic. Inspect all released clips and replace any damaged ones to ensure a tight fit when you reinstall. Reassemble in reverse. Reconnect wiring, bolt console down, snap trim back, reinstall shift knob, and finally reconnect the battery. If something won't power, check that each connector.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.